Okay, so number 8 here, 5.265. I'm not going to, I don't need all those zeros. Times 10 to the minus 2 over, what's the other number? It is 6.5 times 10 to the minus 1. All right, so what do we do? So you know, you divide the numbers in the front. 5.265 divided by 6.5 on the calculator. So what is that going to be? 5.265 divided by 6.5. I'm getting 0.81. This we must fix it, right? Because the decimal's not where it belongs. The decimal needs to be after the first digit. So we got to do that. And then I'm going to mess with the powers here as well. Bring that over here. So 10 to the minus 2 over 10 to the minus 1. You remember what we do with that, right? We have to subtract those powers. So that'll be 10 to the minus 2 minus 1. And we put a subtraction in the middle, right? It's top power minus bottom power. Minus 2 minus a minus 1. And the double negative, remember what that does? That's add, isn't it? So that's 10 to the minus 1. All right, so far, what do we have? We have 0.81 times 10 to the minus 1. We good so far. We're not done. We're about halfway done. We have the decimal and we have the power, right? We divided the numbers in the front and we subtracted the powers, because for dividing, we always subtract powers. But we're not done. Do you see why we're not done? This is not in scientific notation. Remember, scientific notation has to have the decimal after the first digit. So we've got to fix this number, don't we? Without changing it. So we have to make it 8.1 times, put this different color, 8.1 times what? 10 to the negative 1. Everybody see that? And then bring this guy down as another 10 to the minus 1. Does everybody see that? I'm fixing this, making it into a scientific notation answer, because the decimal cannot be there before the 81. You can't have the decimal before the 81. The decimal has to be after the first digit. But I've got to put it times 10 to the minus 1, which gives that decimal instructions to go back where it belongs. So 0.81 is the same as 8.1 times 10 to the minus 1. And then you bring down the other 10 to the minus 1, right? And now putting this all together, this is going to be 8.1 times, and then what do these powers do on these two different 10s here? What am I going to do with those powers?
Add them.
Right, add the powers, because they're multiplied, not divided. So that'll be 10 to the minus 2, negative 1 plus negative 1. And there's our answer, 8.1 times 10 to the minus 2. Now it's in scientific notation. Now the decimal's where it belongs, after the first digit.